Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. I recently purchased a Chromebook. It is one of the cheapest Chromebook I could find. I got it for $165 USD and it's the Acer Chromebook 11 C732-C073. My previous Chromebook was actually a refurbished unit, but this is a brand new one. Anyway, looking around the package, we have the brand and model number of the Chromebook. We also have the specifications of the Chromebook. Just pause the video if you're really interested in knowing them. We have nothing around the package except the Acer branding and some caution information. Anyway, let's proceed with the unboxing and see what we get. Everything is well packed. Let's start digging. We get a charger, which is actually a Type-C. We get the charging connector to the main outlet. We get the Chromebook itself, which I will put it aside and look at it later. Finally, we get the user manuals and warranty cards. The Chromebook itself is plastic built and we have the Acer branding and the Chrome logo. It's not as light as I expected though. One of the side we have a USB Type A port, a Type C port and a K-lock. The other side we have a headphone and microphone jack combo, a micro SD port, a USB Type A, a Type C port and an LED power indicator. Let's power the device and see what it offers. It has an 11.6 inch screen with resolution of 1366 by 768 and it's not a touchscreen. The screen is not really the best, I would say, but it's usable. The colors look washed out. There's also a 720p web camera. Looking at the input options, we have the trackpad and the keyboard. We have a fully QWERTY keyboard, which is fine for the price, but it's not the best. The trackpad is intact and feels well built. Since it's a Chromebook, everything is done through the Chrome web browser. Anyway, I will test this device out and give a full review in future. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.